Namaskar. I am Alia Siddhika from Alithangani, Nagaon, and today I'm here to speak a few words on Magh Bihu. At first, I wish you all a very happy Magh or Bhogali Bihu. Magh Bihu is a special festival celebrated in Assam. It happens in January, marking the end of one month and the start of another. In this festival, people pray, sing, and enjoy a big feast with tasty Assamese dishes. Traditional games like kite flying and buffalo fights add fun to the celebration. Magh Bihu brings together families and friends, creating a lively and joyful atmosphere. It's a time to be grateful for the harvest, enjoy good food, and have fun with the loved ones. This festival is to thank Mother Nature for providing food and blessings. The celebrations begin with Urukha, the night before Magh Bihu. On this night, families and friends come together. Traditional dishes like pithas, curds, and sesame sweets are prepared, and people also build temporary huts called Bhelaghar and large bonfires called Meji. On the morning of Magh Bihu, the Meji is lit and prayers are offered to fire. This ritual signifies gratitude to nature and hopes for prosperity and happiness. People also enjoy traditional games, music, and dances, making the festival lively and fun. Magh Bihu is not just about food and festivities. It is about unity, love, and cultural pride. It strengthens bonds within the community and reminds everyone to value nature's blessings. This beautiful festival reflects the rich traditions of Assam and spreads happiness and warmth. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. I wish you all a very happy Magh Bihu. Thank you.